Welcome to the Michael Foods event. Thank you for coming.
We wanted to have a system that allowed us to have real-time data. And oh, by the way, some data that we could be nimble to and that we can rally a key set of folks around. We needed a change. We set out and we narrowed it down when we were on the journey of looking for a visual factory, ultimately landing on Redzone.
When Redzone gets deployed, it's deploying structure to the business.
The business metrics are there. We've seen the uplift, we've seen the gains, we've seen the ability to run more product and capacity inside of our four walls. But it's around the people systems, and I think that's the thing that we've really found to be beneficial for us is folks being a part of a cause and feel like they're part of a larger system for us.
I mean, when you put Redzone in, it's almost an immediate bump, in productivity. It's something that we expected, and we were told that we were going to see that, and we did. We probably actually saw more of a bump than what Redzone told us initially.
But we went from $9 an hour to 11 to 13 and now 15. That impact on us spread over the calculations we did was annualized at $10 million. So this was really the launch point for changing the engagement, using the tool Redzone to track our progress. The result of that is the increased capacity that we gained, the productivity that we gained. We neutralized the 10 million. We had over 7.4 million in savings in less than 2 years.
Kind of to piggyback on that, I had the unique experience of being a frontline supervisor when we rolled this out, and I would argue that the engagement piece and giving the operators a voice, it's just astronomical. The communication tool that we provided to our team and giving them that voice has been as great as any of the other benefits that we've received from Redzone.
They actually are excited. They are the leaders, they are the passionate, because they now see they have a skill now they're proud of.